knowing how to construct sentences, knowing how to converse in Yoruba language, all goes down to you knowing the necessary, the basic part of speech, such as pronouns, verb, adjective, and knowing how to use them together. I mean, verb and pronoun, verb and adjective, and the likes. So in this video, you are going to learn how to converse in Yoruba language, how to construct sentences, making use of pronoun and verb. If this sounds like something you're interested in, something you like to know, something you'll be looking for, you'll be searching for, then you're welcome. Kindly sit back and let's learn together. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Did you miss me? Because I missed you. I'm sorry I've been away for some while. I've been so busy with life generally. Yes. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us. This is Learn Yoruba with Adunniade, where you get to learn everything about Yoruba language. Yes, everything about Yoruba, its people, culture, traditions, food, everything. Thank you. You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. In our last video, we learned how to converse, how to communicate in Yoruba language, how to construct sentences, making use of verbs and pronouns, specifically present continuous tense. And so in this video, you are going to be learning how to construct sentences, how to converse, how to communicate in Yoruba language using verb and pronouns, but past tense. So if you have not watched the last video, I want you to go and watch it. I'm going to tag into the video right now. Click it, go and watch it so that you will understand what you are going to learn in this video. Because the last video is going to help you to understand what we are going to learn in this video. And so we are going to be making use of the examples we used in the last video. That's another reason for you to go and watch it. Then come back to this. This is one of the samples to make use of in the last video. I am eating. In the last video we said we learned that we are going to say what. Now if you have watched that video, you should be able to tell me now. So if you want to say I'm eating, what should you say? Yeah, mo ń jẹun. Now in the case of past tense, I told you in the last video that the there is specifically there to signify that this is a present continuous tense. I mentioned it if you still remember. But now in past tense, the will be omitted, will be removed. There will not be use of in past tense. There is no use of in past tense. So you're going to say, instead of you saying mo ń jẹ, you're going to say mo jẹun. It's something you've did, something you've done. It's the past tense. The thing of the past. So you want to tell someone I ate rice, mo jẹ ìrẹsì, not mo ń jẹ ìrẹsì. We ate beans, a jẹ ẹ̀wà, àwa jẹ ẹ̀wà. They ate yam, wọ́n jẹ iṣu. He or she ate bread, ó jẹ búrẹ́dì. You ate fish, ó jẹ ẹja. In the last video, we talked about a sample that says I am doing something. If you can remember, I am doing something in the last video was mo ń ṣe nǹkan, but now it's the past tense. You did it, you've done it. Mo ṣe nǹkan. It can also mean something else, like in a situation where something happened and you're like, what have I done? This is bad. Mo ṣe nǹkan. Tèmi bá mi. Yeah, mo ṣe nǹkan. But now we are talking about I did something, mo ṣe nǹkan. I did something, mo ṣe nǹkan. Another sample is I am sleeping, I slept. Yeah, I slept. Mo sùn. They slept. Wọ́n sùn. They slept home. Wọ́n sùn sílé. They slept home. They slept off. Wọ́n sùn lọ. I slept off. Mo sùn lọ. Or mo sùn gbàgbé. Mo sùn lọ. She slept. Ó sùn. You slept. Ó sùn. I hope you are getting the differences. Yes. And so the next example is talk. Like talking like I am talking. Mo ń sọ̀rọ̀. I talked. Mo sọ̀rọ̀. We talked. A sọ̀rọ̀. They talked. Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀. She talked. Ó sọ̀rọ̀. Then walk. Like I'm walking with my legs. I'm walking. Yeah, I'm walking. I walked. Mo rìn. I am walking. Mo ń rìn. I walked. Mo rìn. A rìn. Wọ́n rìn. Ó rìn. Orin. Now work. And I'm working. I worked yesterday. Mo ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá. Mo ṣiṣẹ́. I worked. Mo ṣiṣẹ́. Mo ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá. I worked yesterday. Mo ṣiṣẹ́. She worked yesterday. Ó ṣiṣẹ́ lánàá. She worked last month. Ó ṣiṣẹ́ ní oṣù tó kọjá. Ó ṣiṣẹ́ ní oṣù tó kọjá. They worked. Wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́. Wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́. Wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́. Wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́. I hope you are getting it. Now the next example is come. I came. Mo wá. Mo wá. I came yesterday. Mo wá lánàá. Mo wá lánàá. Mo wá lánàá. I came to your house yesterday. Mo wá sí ilé ẹ lánàá. They came to your house yesterday. Wọ́n wá sí ilé ẹ lánàá. They came to our house yesterday. Wọ́n wá sí ilé wa lánàá. We came yesterday. A wá lánàá. A wá. She came. Ó wá. You came. Ó wá. Ó wá. Ó wá sí ilé mi lánàá. You came to my house yesterday. Ó wá. Mo wá. Wọ́n wá. A wá. I hope you're getting it. The next sample is rest, resting, rested. Sinmi. I am resting. Mo ń sinmi. I rested. Mo sinmi. Mo sinmi. Mo sinmi. I rested. Mo sinmi. She rested. Ó sinmi. They rested. Wọ́n sinmi. We rested. A sinmi. A sinmi. A sinmi. You know, after every work you are out to rest. A sinmi. A sinmi. Played. You know, all work without play makes Jack a dull boy, and all work without resting too makes Jack a workaholic. Yeah, workaholic. We played. Àṣeré. We are playing. À ń ṣeré. Are you seeing the difference? We played. Àṣeré. I played. Mo ṣeré. Mo ṣeré. Now the example I forgot to add in the last video, and which is very, very important in our daily activities. You know, I said I'm going to be using samples that we use almost every day. Yeah. So this sample is buying, but I am buying, or buying, mò ń rà. I am buying foodstuff, mò ń ra oúnjẹ. I am buying food, mò ń ra oúnjẹ. I bought food, mo ra oúnjẹ. I am buying clothes, mò ń ra aṣọ. I bought clothes, mo ra aṣọ. We bought clothes, a ra aṣọ. They bought clothes, wọ́n ra aṣọ. You bought clothes, ó ra aṣọ. He bought clothes, ó ra aṣọ. We cooked. A dáná. A dáná. I cooked. Mo dáná. Or mo ṣe oúnjẹ. You can say dáná or ṣe oúnjẹ. I am cooking. Mo ń ṣe oúnjẹ. Or mo ń dáná. I cooked. Mo ṣe oúnjẹ. Or mo dáná. So I don't want this video to be too long so that you can be able to watch over and over again without not taking much of your time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you learned from it. If you do, kindly let me know in the comment section and let me know where you're watching from. And the next video will be about pronouns, verb, then conjunction, and probably adjective. So anticipate it's going to drop very soon. Thank you very much for staying tuned. And if you want me to start to do live, to go on live, if you want me to go on live and teach you, or let me say bring words, tell you new words, English words, or translate or whatever, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely work that out. Bye bye. I love you.